Learning is Nishmas Etta Ahuva bas Yaakov Masechus Sanhedrin Perek Beis Mishna Hey. The Mishnah lists 6 halachas about the covet of a king. Ein roichen al susa, you can't ride on his horse. Ein yoshven al kisa, you can't sit on his chair. The third one is ein mishtamshin b'sharvita, you can't use his scepter. Taisis Yanter brings from the Rambam Huadin his crown or any of his other tashmishay. The fourth one is ein roin oisei kishu mistaper, you can't see him when he gets a haircut, which the Gemara brings from a brisa, happens every day. A king is mistaper b'chol yom. The fifth one is Veloy Kishu Arim, you can't see him when he is unclothed. Veloy Bebeis HaMerchetz, you can't see him in the bathhouse. Shenemer Seim Tasam Alesa Melech Shetehei Emasai Alecha. You should put a king on yourself, and his Ema should be, Midarshan, that his Ema should be on you. So all these 6 halachas are the din of the Emas HaMelech. Perek Gimel Mishna Aleph, Dine Mamenes Bishloisha, like we said in the first Perek. There's 3 dayanim. This Mishnah says a machlekes or meir in the chachamim how you choose them. Zebar leyecha v'zebar leyecha v'shneim bar lehen oid echa divrei Rameir. Rameir holds maskanos hagemara is that each one chooses a dayan, and together the 2 bali dinim choose the third dayan. And the Gemara says mitoich shezeh bar loidayin echa v'zeh bar loidayin echa v'shneim bar lemoid echa. From the fact you do it like that is yotza hadin la'amitay. The din is going to come out truthfully. Rashi explains the tzaisi balidinim, because the balidinim are now going to listen. The savar achayev, the one that's guilty, is going to say, "Harei ani ba'atzmi birarti echad." I myself chose one of the dayanim. If he was able to be mahapich and ma'izchus hay mahapich, he would have done so. And v'hadayanim ba'atzman loichadaitan lahapich b'schus shneim and neisha shneim birim. The dayanim themselves are happy to be mahapich of the schus of both of them because both of them chose them. However, Chacham Maimon, the Chacham say, Shnei Dayanim Bar Lahem Oid Echa. The 2 Dayanim, the Dayanim themselves, not the Balei Dinim, are the ones that choose the third Dayan. And the Gemara explains that Chachamim hold that we don't care about the Balei Dinim, as opposed to Rameir holds that we care about actually both the Balei Dinim and the Dayanim have to agree. Because there's a halacha that a Dayan shouldn't sit on a bezdin unless he agrees with the other dayanim are sitting on the bezdin that they're worthy of being dayanim. The Gemara brings kachay nikia adashi b'Yerushalayim oisin lo yichosmen al ashar el ken yodem mi chosmen imaim v'lo yoshem medin el ken yodea mi yoshev imaim. So you wouldn't sit on a bezdin unless you know who is sitting with you. So they both, Rameir and the Chacham, both agreed to that concept. Rameir said it's true by the Bali Dinim also. And the Chacham held it's only true by the Dayanim, so that's why only Dayanim have to be Bar L'Moed Echad and not the Bali Dinim. The Mishnah continues, Zeh Poisel Dayanim Shel Zeh, Zeh Poisel Dayanim Shel Zeh. Each one could be Poisel, the Dayan of the other one. The Gemara asks, how could you do that? Kol Kaminei, the Pasel Dayanim, how could you just Pasel Dayanim, just like that, with no reason? The Gemara answers, Amar Rabbi Yochanan Be'arkoi Shebesurya Shano. It's only talking about Arkoi Shebesurya who weren't good Dayanim. But if they're mumchim, the Gemara comes out, then even Rameir is going to be maskim that you can't passel them. However, the Chachamim held that even by the Arkoi Shebesurya, you can't passel them unless Eimazai Bizman Shemevi Alei and Raya Shein Kravim, unless you bring a Raya that they are Kravim or Ipsulin. Avalim Hayukshein Mumchin Yachal Pais, and then you can't passel them. The last halacha in the Mishnah is also a machlokes Rameir and the Chachamim. Zeh poisel eidav shel zeh, zeh poisel eidav shel zeh. Each one could passel the eidim of the other one. So there's maskanas hagemara. There's 2 different pshatim. The last pshat is what the Rav brings down is the machlokes is talking about shnei kitei eidim. That the Malva, let's say, says that I have two eidim, 2 sets of eidim, and on the first aid, it's ba hu va'achar lepaisan. The Baldin is coming with someone else and saying that those 2 Eidim are puzzle. And Rameir held that you could do that because it's not Negea Be'edis, because there's another set of Eidim. You don't even need these Eidim. There's other Eidim against me anyhow. However, the Chachamim Maimrim that you can't do that because the other Baldin could say, Ein Tzarech Avarer, I don't really, forget about it, I changed my mind. I only want to be Seimach on these first 2 Eidim, and then it is Negea Be'edusan. The Mishnah's lashon is Eimesai Bizman Shemevi Alei and Rayish and Kravim or Psulin. Then Avada the Racham will be masking that you could passel them. Avim Ling Sherim, but if they're Sherim Eini Yachal then you can't passel them because it is Negea Be'edis, because the the Baldin, the Malva, is able to say that I don't want to be Soymech on the other set of Eidim. All I have is these two set of Eidim, and that you have no right to passel because it's Negea Be'edis.